Hey, Sean, have you ever heard of AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's when computers can do things that usually only humans can do. Today, we're going to talk about jobs that might be replaced by AI in the next 10 years. I'm going to give you five. Number one, customer service representatives. These are people who help you when you have a question or a problem, but soon you might be talking to a robot instead of a real person. Number two, data entry clerks. These are people who type in information from papers or forms into computers, but soon computers might be able to read and enter the information themselves. Three, all of our favorites, telemarketers. These are people who call you on the phone and try to sell you things, but soon you might be talking to a robot instead of a real person. Accountants and bookkeepers. These are people who help companies keep track of their money, but soon computers might be able to do this job more accurately and quickly. And number five, assembly line workers. These are people who work in factories and put things together, but soon robots might be able to do this job instead of people. But don't worry, not all the jobs will be replaced by AI. There are some things that only humans could do, like being creative, understanding emotions, and working with others. And if some jobs are being replaced by AI, new jobs will also be created. So it's important to learn new skills and keep learning. All right? It's not all doom and gloom. You just have to evolve and find your opening. The robots are going to need people to fix them, right? Again, this is Sean. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.